going on, guys? Hope you're having a good day so far. Well, I haven't done a daily, like a vlog video in a while or anything, but maybe I'm gonna go back to doing like 1 or 2 of these a week. That way I can just start kind of talking and showing you guys all of the craziness that we've been doing. And I've been slowing down, so maybe I'll get back into doing these because I kind of paused and I haven't done a ton of videos recently. And that is for a number of reasons, including hurricanes and crazy stuff that decided to hit everything. And that wasn't fun. We lost power, internet, all that stuff. So I've been kind of trying to catch my tail with both hands and get back into the swing of things. So that being said, let's try to get back into it by doing another one of these videos and kind of walk you around the shop and update you on a lot of the stuff that's been going on, like that trailer right there. It is going to be a future video, most specifically me working on this lawnmower right here, which is a Super Series 12. And that'll be a next future video that you will see very soon. But this trailer, I need to get unloaded today, along with the back of my truck. So all of this quality fortune treasure stuff that I found came out of a barn that I was helping Southern Revival Auto clean out, which it was a 1960, I believe, tobacco barn, which is literally on I can't remember the state park's name. It'll be down here somewhere, but it's literally Tennessee State Park that this barn is on, and it was really cool. There's a lot of different excrement from different animals in there, which was very fun to have to go through and clean out. I'll have some pictures kind of bouncing back and forth around here. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff in there I need to clean out. I got a lot of stuff I have to get off of this, along with a bunch of wood that is going to help insulate the shop, because right now the shop has no insulation. But we are working on getting the shop insulated and heated, so that way I can keep doing work during winter, because when it gets 0 degrees out, it sucks, and I don't like my hands hurting when it's 0 degrees out. Transmission, which that's gonna be another video. I alluded to that a little bit ago. That is a 480 that is going into my Dually, which I will get into a little bit more, but that's a future video. The other thing I wanted to show you, sorry, you guys are probably getting sick, like spinning around so many times. There's a cow skull, of course, but we got this stove. It's a wood burning stove, and we got that guy out, so that's gonna hopefully help heat this shop way better than, you know, not having any heat or just space heaters. And you saw all that wood out on the trailer. So what my thought is, I have some insulation kind of like that back there. You can kind of see it. It's 2-inch foam board insulation. And my plan is to put it all on that wall with a vapor barrier. But I'm also, on the back side, gonna frame it all in like how this wall's framed in. I'm gonna frame in that wall just the exact same way. And that way, it can keep a little bit more heat in this shop, hopefully. And we can also hang stuff off the wall instead of just trying to stick signs and flags and stuff with magnets on the metal. The metal is really cool, and the exterior is fantastic because it was super easy and it's affordable. And it's not like, you know, a post frame or like a barn dominium kind of shop. The offside is you have to literally frame in the inside of it if you want to have nice, you know, walls that are insulated very well. So we have to do that, which is gonna be not that big of a deal. We'll lose, you know, 6 inches of space out of the shop, but I don't care, as long as it's heated in here and I can wear jeans and a sweatshirt in here during, you know, December and January and not be completely freezing and my hands like hurt to close. I'm going to be very happy with that. So that's what's going on there. I got the entire welding setup put together a couple weeks ago, so now we can weld up things that we need to get welded. We have gas and everything for the welder, so Abby's very happy with that. I built these welding screens out of PVC pipe and some other stuff, which, if you can tell, I kind of ran out of PVC pipe when I bought it. I didn't expect them to be, I guess, as big as they were, or whatever. So my plan is to try to get this, you know, wave out of it. I have 2 more pieces that I'm going to use, and I'm going to frame in the tops, and that way we have a nice little block right here. And if you ever need to move the screens for any reason, like we're welding something over here and you need welding screens, I'm going to use pins to connect them. That way you can move these around the way we need to, and then you can put legs on the bottoms of them as well. So that's kind of a fun little thing I got to get done. Now on to the last thing I'm going to show you guys. if you watched my last video, it was me going through the injectors on the Nova and cleaning them out and trying to get one of them unstuck because it left me on the side at the movie theater. It wouldn't start because it was totally flooding the engine. Flooding the engine so bad, in fact, that it had probably a couple quarts of gasoline in the oil, which is always fun to have to deal with. So one of the guys at FiTech actually messaged me, so thank you for messaging me. When he saw one of my stories or reels or something like that, he messaged me to ask me if I need anything, let him know. And I'm like, well, as a matter of fact, I need a few things actually. So I asked him for some fuel injectors to replace the ones that were already in the car. So that is really freaking cool. Along with the new fuel filter. And if you notice, there's some extra little cool things. I don't even know what this is. That is really cool. I'm about to like, oh, that's I don't know what that is. That's cool. I'm about to open that guy up. But the transmission alluded to it. And if you know anything about 4L80s, you need a shift controller, and that is exactly what this guy is right here. Yeah, so I asked him for a shift controller, and they just sent it to me, which is super, super, super cool. I greatly appreciate you guys for doing that. If you're watching this, thank you. It makes it way easier on me to get the 4L80 in the truck and have overdrive so I can cruise, 75 miles an hour on the freeway, towing random garbage home behind my dually, and not worry about, I'm going to pick up a little bit mileage, and this will work really, really, really well with the 600 horsepower system that is on the dually right this second. I actually did the math. So from my house, without doxing myself, to Gatlinburg is about 120, 130 miles. And the truck got about 12 miles a gallon going that way. So with a non-overdrive, fuel injected 454 with 410s in the back, getting 11 and a half, 12 miles a gallon. I am stoked to see what the shift controller does with the 4L80, because if I can make that 4L80 get that truck up to like the 2 miles a gallon more, 3 miles a gallon more, and I can get 14 miles a gallon without a trailer on, that is like Prius level dually stuff. Like that gets better mileage than like some new 6.0 LS trucks, which is really cool. Stickers, all I care about. No, that's really cool. Doesn't look like much, but that is a lot. That does everything I need to do. There's the EFI controller, the controller for it, and there's the guy right there. That's the mothership. So we need to mount that somewhere inside the truck, probably. Get that looking nice and good in the truck. And I love the look. I have this exact same controller that's in the Nova. These new controllers look so good. Yeah, the new handhelds look so good, and the new connector that they have, that new pin, is so nice compared to the old pins. I have the old style on the Dually and the Camaro, and they work fine, but this one's just, it's a bigger screen. The buttons are way nicer. It is super, super, super nice. Yeah, so this is really cool. I'm super appreciative of you guys helping me out with that. And I'm stoked to see that going into the truck on another episode of the Daily Misfire. So with that being said, I'm going to put you guys on hyperlapse real quick, and I'm going to go and clean out that entire trailer and that truck and put that stuff somewhere, because I have other stuff I have to work on right now, but this needs to at least not be in the middle of the world like it is right now. So yeah, hyperlapse time. Good lord, some of these boards are longer than the freaking S10. Like, look at this. This guy. Look at that. It's just as long as the truck. That's crazy. Good lord. All of those boards have to go in there. At least until I get ready to use them. All of those, like I said, are going to be in the wall over there, so yeah. But got all of those off so far. He broke more. He fell off as soon as I took the strap off. I don't know if you saw that in the hyperlapse. But that came off okay. That came off okay. The bed used to be actually like here. It used to be okay. But where it's all bent right there, it's way worse than it was because I had to strap this down so tight. But it's okay because I'm going to put the tailgate in it. And it's going to go somewhere over there as a little planter, little flower box. Because I think it'll be cool as a little flower box. Kind of a rusty old little thing. Put rocks and gravel and bark around it and it should be good. Ugh. The bed of the truck's at least cleaned out.
Jeans and a 4x4, cruising down to your front door. From a closest pack and a whiskey neat, some dive bar right up the street. I'm a good old boy and a country star. No one
somethingth. I don't know which one. 63rd, 64th, one of those two. Pretty cool though. I get to go home and work on stuff. Gross. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed watching the car show and stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed watching me get all that wooden stuff out of the back of my truck and everything. It is now currently all in that barn, so that is super good, and hopefully we'll actually get to mess with that stuff. So hopefully in a future video you'll get to see me messing with that lawnmower, as well as framing this wall. So this wall is going to get insulation and a bunch of other stuff, so we'll get to do that on another video at some point down the road. I'm going to try to do maybe some of this vlog style, like multiple day kind of videos, hopefully once a week is kind of my goal, along with the regular content. So we'll see how well that goes, but I guess you'll have to find out if I can actually do it or not. So that being said, hope you guys have a good one. Like and subscribe, follow along, and watch me use stuff like this and turn that trailer right there into flower bed and some other cool stuff like that. So till then, see you guys later. Peace.